ta'ala wa barakatuh. First of all, we would like to thank Almighty Allah for the smooth conduct of this election into various positions for our great party APC at the state level. And I would also like to congratulate the local organizing committee for the smooth conduct of our ward, local government and state congresses that took place in our dear state. I would want to congratulate all the elected leaders at the ward level, local government level as well as the state level. We urge you to be committed in your assignment. We urge you to continue and consolidate on the gains of the party, because Katsina State is an APC state and all elected officials of the state are APC members. We are expecting the new leadership to sustain this gain, to consolidate our party, to unite our party and make our party great. I assure you that as a government and as a leader of this party in the state, I will make every commitment to make your work easy and also to support you in all the endeavors you may require. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to commend the election committee from our great party for what they have done since the beginning of this Congress up to what we have achieved today. We thank you for this great job and we thank the organizing committee. And I also want to appreciate our stakeholders, the stakeholders and the elders committee of our party in the state for the contribution and the commitment they have made to make this job a success. We thank you and may Almighty Allah make our party strong, great and united. And I want to assure Mr. President Asuaji Bola Ahmed Tinubu that we will continue to make APC a great party in the state. And we will continue to support him, to support his initiative, and also to support the federal government. Katsina State is an APC state. We remain committed to working together and making the party more stronger, more united, and more prosperous. I wish all the representatives of our party from the 361 wards for their smooth conduct and for your discipline. And I wish you journey mercy back to your various destinations, and we are looking forward to making this party a great party in our dear state. Jahar